Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel. And we hope you guys enjoy this video today. Today we are going to clean out this disgusting refrigerator. Good housekeeping suggests to clean out your refrigerator every 3 to 6 months. Make sure before you get started you have an antibacterial, food grade safe cleaner to spray in your refrigerator, also a clean rag. Whatever you have that's bad, expired, or just things you won't use anymore, go ahead and throw it away during this step. Using Grove Collaborative Antibacterial Spray. I use this in all my cleaning videos. There is a link in the description below on how you can get your first order for free. The reason why I choose using these products is because they don't have a toxic cleaning smell. They have seasonal smells and scents that I love, and they're very safe for households with children. And I love that I can have the order sent straight to my house. I can skip a month if I want to. I can add or delete anything anytime that I need to within a month. They always send me reminders of when my product is going to be shipped out, and I just love customer service. They are awesome. Let me know in the comments below how often you guys clean your refrigerator out. I don't feel that I clean mine out every 3 to 6 months, maybe every 6 months, but definitely not every 3 months. I'm going to really try to start a habit this year where I'm cleaning it out more regularly. One thing I love is changing where things go in my refrigerator. Every time I go grocery shopping, I feel like I put stuff in different spots and I change things around all the time, it seems like. I love the look of a clean refrigerator. It's so amazingly perfect when it's completely empty and white and clean. I love it. We just got back from grocery shopping, so I pretty much stocked the refrigerator with whatever we bought. The store literally had no apples, nothing that we normally buy, so our refrigerator kind of looks empty. I love the look of a clean refrigerator. It is just so satisfying. When we went grocery shopping, they had no spinach or celery, carrots, like everything was pretty much out. And so I'm gonna have to go back and finish grocery shopping so we can fill the refrigerator up. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out our video. If nobody's told you you are loved and amazing, I'm here to tell you you are loved and amazing. Many blessings and much love.